literal translation of hacker in Spanish is pirata informático, which means information pirate. I think it represents better what we do when we talk about bug hunting or vulnerability researchers. You are looking for clues, you're looking for hints, and you are trying to chase weird behavior into something that is like a bug or a vulnerability. That's why it's called bug hunting. And yeah, it's like hunting for bugs. We have this program called the Google Bug Hunters program, in which we ask people in the world that are able to find security issues to tell us about it.
Across more than 100 countries, thousands of amateur and professional hackers alike have answered the call, filing thousands of bug reports every year. Over time, a few of these hunters have risen to the top, the best of the best.
Bug hunters are from all around the world. They come from as many countries as you can imagine. Sometimes it's very difficult to ship them gifts, and that's usually how we found out where exactly they are from. There is one guy named Callum. He's from the United Kingdom.
I hack companies in my free time. It's the easiest way to say it.
There's Yesenia from Mexico.
Bug hunting es una adicción para mí. Es de lunes a viernes, 24/7.
We have Joao Luca Melo Brazio. He used the money that we gave him for rewards to build companies. Now he has many companies. He has houses and sorry. He has houses and stuff.
Look at the top of the leaderboard, and you'll find Tomasz Bojarski, the #1 ranked bug hunter in the world.
I'm #1 since 2016, and I'm not really putting any effort into keeping #1. I don't know why people are so lazy, I guess.
But hot on Tomasz's heels is a new generation of hackers, one that entered the hunt before they could even drive. Meet Ezequiel Pereira, hacker since homeroom.
When I was in high school, I decided to try to find vulnerabilities in the high school website, bringing the site down, or editing some page to say, oh, there are no classes or something like that. Then I got caught. They suspended me for a month and made me clean the high school until the end of the school year. And that was not fun at all. That was not fun at all.
Youthful hijinks aside, it didn't take long for Ezequiel to start putting his skills to good use.
In 2018, I reported a security vulnerability in Google Cloud. Suddenly, I get an email. Congratulations, thank you for reporting this vulnerability to us. Called my mother. Hello, by the way, Google told me that a vulnerability that I had reported, they would be rewarding me with $10,000. Suddenly she screamed, and I had to put away the phone.
It's just nice catch, nice catch.
Nice catch.
Nice catch.
They always send you that.
The classic Google line, the nice catch, yeah. They've added an emoji now.
Because the bugs they find aren't just stamped out, they're also studied.